Hello friends, this is Vivek Sharma, Assistant Professor in Department of IT in Biyani Group of College. Today I deliver a video lecture on external storage class. In previous lectures, we have already discussed three types of storage class: automatic storage class, static storage class and registry storage class. Now we are going to discuss last one, external storage class. So first we discuss key features of external storage class. It stores in computer's memory. The default value of external variable would be 0. Scope of the external variable global, that is entire program. And last one, life, as long as the program's execution does not come to an end. So scope and life will be entire program of external storage class. Now we are taking example and we discuss by example external storage class. So this is the example of external storage class. Here I is integer type variable. This is the external variable because it is declared outside the main function. So we have a variable I, which is global variable. The default value of global variable would be 0, as we discussed. Here there are two types of function. First one is increment function and second one is decrement function. In this program, this is called function prototype. Inside a main, printf I assignment %d I. So we are printing value of I. The value of I is 0. So it print value 0. In the next statement, we are calling increment function. So control goes definition part, body part of increment. Here I assignment I plus 1. So value of I will be increased by default 1. Now I will be 1. Printf I. So we are printing I. The value of I is 1. After execution of increment function, control goes back inside a main function. So here we are calling second time increment function. So control goes body part of increment I assignment I plus 1. We are adding one more value inside I. So I will be 2. Printf I. So it print value I, that is 2. After execution, control goes here next line of increment, that is decrement function. So here we are calling decrement function. So control move to the decrement part. Here we are decreasing value of I minus 1. So 2 minus 1 will be 1. Printf I. So we are printing value of I, that is 1. Again control come here and again we are calling once again decrement function. So control goes here. Now I assignment I minus 1. So 1 minus 1 would be 0 and we are printing value of I, that is 0. Again control goes here, return 0 is the proper termination of the program. So this program gives the output 0, 1, 2, then 1, 0. So this is the simple example of external storage class. Thank you for watching our video lecture. Please like, comments and subscribe our YouTube channel gurukpo.com. Thank you.